This is a video about a barn in Bloomsburg that the walls are collapsing underneath the barn. So the whole entire barn needs to be braced up and the foundation torn out, all the stone removed, new footers dug and poured, and then a new stone and block wall built up underneath the barn. The excavators have started digging around the foundation of the barn. You can see that the entire barn now has been propped up using 6x6s and 2x4s. All the walls have been removed now and new concrete footers have been poured, and we've started laying the block. Just doing a progress update. We have all the block laid on the whole barn, and now we're getting started laying the stone. All the block that you see below the steps is going to be below grade, and everything above the steps in the block will be stone. You can see in the distance there that the bank wall block is all done, and this is all the stone, or some of the stone, left over from the barn walls, and this is what we're reusing to cover the outside of the block in stone. Just doing a quick update. It's the end of the second full week of work here for myself and one other mason, and we have finished all the block and have started laying the stone, reusing the original stone from the barn. Everywhere else on the barn, the stone is going to only be 8 inches thick, just a stone veneer, except on the overhang side, where you can see that it is solid stone. It's stone finished face on both sides of the wall. Kind of hard to see a little bit with all the scaffolding in the way, but you can see there that stone on both sides. It's the end of the third week, and we are totally done. All the stone block, and all that has to be done now is the barn frame has to be lowered down and resting on top of our stone, and the windows have to be installed. This is the other gable end of the barn, and you can see that that stonework is also totally done, and all that has to happen is the window has to be installed on this side as well. You can see the temporary bracing is still in on the barn, but all of the stone on both sides of the barn is totally finished and laid. So the whole job took a total of 3.5 weeks to complete, and now I'm tired and ready to go home. I gotta load up a skid loader and the trailer, and a nice 3-hour drive home, and I'll be done. Thanks for watching.